Good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome back to the accountancy classes. Yeah, last class I was teaching interest on drawing. Direct method is completed. Product method also I completed. So before going to the next method, one more problem I'm going to solve it. Product method. I have written one problem on the board. Amar and Akbar are partners in a firm, sharing profit equally. The drawings of two partners is given below. So two partners is given separately, Amar separately, Akbar separately. Amar, 1st May rupees 3,000. Year it is not mentioned, only date is mentioned, month is mentioned, year it is not mentioned. 31st July 2,500, 1st January 3,500. Come to the Akbar. 1st June rupees 3,500, 1st August rupees 4,000, 1st March rupees 3,800. So the problem is saying that calculate interest on drawings of two partners. So you have to calculate two partners, okay, at a rate of 8% per annum, 8% for, okay, even for Akbar, even for Amar and Akbar, 8% per annum under product method. And problem is saying that accounting year ends on 31st March. Okay, so why I have taken this problem? If the year it is not given, don't worry about the problem. Without the year also you can solve the problem. Okay, so let me go for Amar. So first what you do, answers, interest on drawings of Amar, under product method. Interest on drawings of Amar under product method. Yeah, of course, first column will be date column. Next, amount. Next column, number of outstanding months. Of course, next column will be product is equal to amount into number of outstanding months. Product is equal to amount into number of outstanding months. So draw 4 columns like this first. Okay. Next, first you come to Amar. 1st May 1/5. Date is given 1/5. Amount is given 3,000. Next date 31st July, rupees 2,500. Next date 1st January, rupees 3,500. Totally 3 drawings is given. Year it is not mentioned, nothing to worry. Without the year also you can solve the problem. So only we required date, month and amount. So 1st May rupees 3,000, 31st July rupees 2,500, 1st January rupees 3,500. Okay, so number of outstanding months. Come to the number of outstanding months. Okay, 1/5. So first date of drawing is 1st of May. Of course, accounting year ends on 31st March. So calculate from May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So you are going to get number of months will be 11 months. Outstanding period will be 11 months. Okay. Next, come to this 31/7. 31/7 means 31st July. So last date money is drawn. Exclude that month. Calculate from after July. Next, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So you are getting 8 months. Number of outstanding month, it is 8 months. Go to next one, 1st of January, 1/1. Okay, January should be included. January, February, March. So 3 months. 3 months. So 11 months, 8 months and 3 months. So after calculating number of outstanding months, next you have to calculate product. Product is equal to amount into number of outstanding months. Okay. So 3 into 11, 33,000. 2,500 into 8, 20,000. 3,500 into 3, 10,500. 33,000, 20,000 and 10,500. So if you add total product, total product will be 62,500. Total product is 62,500. Total product 62,500. Okay. Next, of course, the formula interest on drawing. Total product written in short form into rate into 1 over 12. Total product, but in the exam you have to write full. Okay. Total product into rate into 1 over 12. This is the formula to calculate product method. So total product is 62,500. Total product is 62,500. Rate, of course, 8%. Rate, of course, 8% into 1 over 12 into 1 over 12. If you calculate this, the answer you are going to get 423.33. 423.33 you are getting. So nothing to worry, make it as round off. 423 will be the final answer. So interest on drawings of Amar 423. Okay. So now what you have to do? Amar have solved here. Okay. Like that you continue solve this for Akbar. So calculate Akbar and find out the answer. So answer you are going to get Akbar answer 472. Akbar answer is 472 you are going to get. You try this for Akbar. Yeah, moving on to the next method. Calculation of interest on drawing. Of course, you had different methods. Actually, I have written on the board in the last class. Now, direct method is over. Product method is over. See, in the product method, interest we are going to calculate when the date of drawing is different date is given. Okay, different date is given. So, usually we apply product method. So, coming to the next, average period or shortcut method. Average period or shortcut method. When fixed amount is withdrawn by the partner every month. When fixed amount is withdrawn by the partner every month. That means sometime the partner will going to draw every monthly some amount, or once in 2 months they are going to draw money, or once in 3 months they are going to draw money. That's what. When fixed amount is withdrawn by the partner, actually here it is given every month. Then I'll come to that later, quarterly, like that. Okay. So what will happen here? When the amount is withdrawn by the partner, beginning of every month, first day of every month beginning, for example, 1st of April, 1st of May, 1st of June, 1st of July, 1st of August, like that. Every month till 31st March, every month beginning some amount. For example, 2,000 rupees will going to draw by Mr. A. Mr. A is a partner. Okay, 2,000 rupees every monthly they are going to draw. Or for example, Mr. X, 5,000 rupees every month beginning they are going to draw for personal use. So that is what. When the amount is withdrawn at the beginning of every month, so average period we are going to calculate for 6.5 months. So 6.5 months, how it, I'll tell you later when I come to the problem. So next, coming to the next one, when the amount is withdrawn at the middle of every month. Middle of every month means 15th day of every month. 15th day of every month. For example, April 15, May 15, June 15, July 15, August 15, like that. Every month 15th day money will be drawn by the partner. Mr. X will going to draw 4,000 rupees 15th or middle of every month. Okay, so that's what. When the amount is withdrawn at the middle of every month, average period 6 months. So we are going to calculate interest there, average period 6 months. Next, when the amount is withdrawn at the end of every month, when the amount is withdrawn at the end of every month end, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, like that. Last day of every month, partner will going to draw money for personal use. Last day of every month. So when the amount is withdrawn at the end of every month, so average period will be 5.5 months. How it is 6.5 months, how it is 6 months, how it is 5.5 months. So slowly one by one in the problem I will explain what is that average period 6.5 months. Okay. So now we will start the first method in the average period method when the amount is withdrawn at the beginning of every month. So average period is 6.5 months. Okay. We will go to the first method in the average period method. When the amount is withdrawn at the beginning of every month, so average period 6.5 months. So there is a formula for average period method. There is a formula. Interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into rate into 1/12. Actually, this is common for all average period method. Total drawings into rate into 1/12 till year it is common. Just like a product method. Say in the product method, total product into rate into 1/12 you are getting. But here we are not applying the product method, we are applying average period method. In average period method, first what we have to do, we have to calculate the total drawing. So total drawings into rate into 1/12, this is common whether it is at the beginning of every month, middle of every month or last day of every month. But into will be go on changing depending on the average period. So depending on the average period, this will be go on changing. For this, when the amount is withdrawn at the beginning of every month, the formula will go like this because the average period is 13/2. 13/2. So interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into rate into 1/12 into 13/2. How it is 13/2? 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. So 13 divided by 2. That's what. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1. 13 divided by 2. So 13 divided by 2 average period method. Okay. So average period method in the NCERT textbook. In the NCERT textbook, average period will be calculating like this. Average period is equal to total number of months plus 1 divided by 2. Total number of months plus 1 divided by 2. Total number of months means total number of months in one financial year. Total number of months in one financial year. So total number of months in one financial year, how much? 12 months. Plus 1 divided by 2. Why it is divided by 2? Average. Average means divided by 2. Okay. So 12 plus 1 divided by 2. So 13/2. That is what 13/2 average period. That's what 13/2 average period 6.5 months. Similarly, we have one more method. You can apply this method also, but NCERT textbook they say that go for this method. Okay. Longest period plus shortest period divided by 2, you will going to get average period. Average period is equal to longest period plus shortest period divided by 2, you will going to get average period. What is that longest period? What is that shortest period? See, for example, when the amount is withdrawn at the beginning of when the amount is withdrawn at the beginning of every month. Beginning of every month. Okay, let me take first of April. 1st of April. Date of drawing. 1st of May. 1st of June. 1st July. 1st August. 1st September. 1st October. 1st November. 1st December. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. That's what the problem is saying at the beginning of every month. At the beginning of every month means money is drawn by the proprietor first day of every month in the financial year. See, these are all the date of drawing. For example, first date 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, like that. Like that. In 12 months, every month first day money is drawn. So this is the date of drawing. Suppose if you take this one, Number of outstanding months, of course, outstanding months, how will you going to calculate? Till 31st March. Outstanding months will be calculated till 31st March. Okay. So, assuming 31st March will be the last day of the financial year. Okay. So, what we have to do? If you take this one, date of drawing 1/4, when you take 1/4, 31st March will be the financial year end means. So, you calculate outstanding months will go like this: April, because April should be included, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So, what will happen? Outstanding period will be 12 months. Similarly, if we calculate this one, 11, next 10, next 9, next 8, 7, it will go like this: 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last will be 30 days, 1 month. So, number of outstanding months will go like this. I am taking an example. Okay. Now, what you have to do? This will be the longest period and this will be the shortest period. Longest period is 12, shortest period is 1. So, that is what I said. Longest period is 12, shortest period is 1 divided by 2. So, it is 13 divided by 2, 6.5, otherwise it is called 6.5 months. So, that is what I said. Average period is 6.5 months. Average period, how it is? Longest period plus shortest period. Longest is 12, shortest is 1. 12 plus 1 divided by 2, 13 divided by 2, that is what average period. Either you go this method, both you are going to get marks and the same answer you are going to get, but follow this method: total number of months plus 1 divided by 2. So, 12 plus 1 divided by 2, 13 divided by 2. Okay. So, let us go for the problem. Okay. We will go to the first problem. Mr. X is a partner in a firm. He withdrew rupees 5,000 regularly at the beginning of every month, first day of every month, for personal use during the accounting year end or during the year end 31st March 2020. Okay. So, 31st March 2020 means accounting year beginning will be 1/4/2019. Okay. Calculate interest on drawing at 10% per annum under average period method or shortcut method. Okay. Problem is like this. So, first what you have to do? In average period method, first you have to calculate total drawings. So, money is withdrawn by the owner or partner. How much? 5,000 rupees every month beginning. Okay. Every month beginning in the sense for 1 year, 1 financial year, how many months? 12. So, 5,000 into 12. So, total money is withdrawn by the proprietor 60,000. Total money is withdrawn by the proprietor rupees 60,000. So, in average period method, first you have to calculate total drawings. Next, write the formula: interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into rate into 1/12. This is common, I said for every average period method, but into will be go on changing. I told into it is 13 divided by 2. 13 divided by 2. Okay. Now, apply the formula. Otherwise, next, average period is equal to total number of months plus 1 divided by 2. Total number of months plus 1 divided by 2. Total number of months in a year 12 plus 1 divided by 2. Of course, it is 13 divided by 2. So, that is the average period 13 divided by 2. Okay. Apply. Total drawing. How much is the total drawing? 60,000 into rate. What is the rate? 10% into 1/12 into 13 divided by 2. Total drawings is 60,000. Rate 10% into 1 over 12 into average period is 13 divided by 2. So if you're going to calculate, you're going to get the answer is rupees 3,250. So interest on drawings of Mr. X, rupees 3,250. Yeah, we'll go to the next problem, problem number 2. Arun and Varun are partners in a firm. Arun withdrew rupees 800 regularly at the first day of every month for the accounting year end 31st March 2020. Calculate interest on drawing at 12% per annum under average period method. Okay, so average period method or shortcut method you have to apply. So in average period method, what you have to do? First you have to calculate total drawings. Total drawings is equal to how much is the money is drawn every month? 800 rupees. So every month beginning 800 rupees is drawn. So one financial year 12. In one financial year it is 12. So 12 into 800. So 9,600 rupees is the total drawings in a year. So 9,600 rupees will be the total drawings. So next, interest on drawings is equal to total drawings. Write the formula. Total drawings into rate into 1 over 12. I said this is common. This is common for every average period, whether it is first day, last day or middle of every month, into average period will be 2 over 13 into 13 divided by 2. Next, average period. Average period is equal to total number of months plus 1 divided by 2. Total number of months plus 1 divided by 2. Total number of months 12 plus 1 divided by 2. Of course, it is 13 divided by 2, average period. So apply the formula. Total drawings is 9,600. Total drawings 9,600 into rate 12% into 1 over 12 into average period is 13 divided by 2. 9,600 total drawing, 12% into 1 over 12 into 13 divided by 2. So answer is 624. Answer is 624. So Arun interest on drawings is 624. Now what I am going to do, I am going to write it 2 problems on the board for the first method at the beginning of every month. Solve this problem. Problem number 3 and problem number 4, 2 problems I have written on the board. Try these 2 problems. Even I have written on the answer. Dixon is a partner in a firm. He withdrew regularly rupees 2,500 at the beginning of every month for the accounting year ends on 31st March 2020. Calculate interest on drawings of Dixon at a rate of 5% per annum under shortcut method. Okay. So first problem answer, you are going to get 812.5. You round off 813. Next, go to the next problem. Reuben is a partner in a firm. He withdrew regularly rupees 8,000 at the first day of every month for the accounting year ends on 31st March 2019. Calculate interest on drawings of Reuben at a rate of 10% per annum under average period method. Okay. So for this answer you are going to get 5,200. So what you have to do, these 2 problems you try, find the answer. So next class I will go to the middle of every month. Have a nice day.